Evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. Lost out there and you're all alone. Life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Hey Gators, I'm Addison.
And I'm Semora.
Today is April 19th and these are our last announcements. Senior send-off is next Friday starting at 2 p.m.
The senior slideshow will premiere that same day at 8:30 a.m.
Junior ring ceremony is May 7th and 8th at 6 p.m. Last names letters A through K is on the 7th and L through Z is on the 8th.
The spring concert is Tuesday at 6 p.m.
Mark those calendars. Graduation is May 17th at 7 p.m.
So Addison, what was your favorite memory this year?
I think throughout all 4 years I've had like one like good memory each year, but honestly I'd probably say my favorite memory was beating everybody I know today. Like, even though like we've all had our ups and downs with each other, like I think I've learned what true friendship is and what it isn't too. What was yours?
I think mine would be definitely homecoming season. And then on top of that, the bird game.
Queen!
It was the bird game and homecoming season for sure. What was your worst memory?
I've had a few. You go first on that one.
Okay. I think my worst one was figuring out I wouldn't be in National Honor Society. It was definitely heartbreaking.
Yeah. I think a lot of people know my worst memory, but besides that, I'd probably say, I don't know, losing in sports.
Okay. All right. This is Semora.
And this is Addison.
Signing out.
Hey Gators, Shree Sports. I'm a little sad right now. It's the seniors gonna be last couple weeks. I'm a little sad about that. Sorry about the background noise, the Special Olympics going on at this moment in time. But yeah, here's the sports, man. So.
Sorry. Since it's our last time, can we take this over?
Yeah, you guys are old, so.
Whoa.
Okay.
Anyways. Hey, y'all, I'm Bryson.
I'm Ellen.
And these are your sports.
I think we need to start off with something serious. As y'all know, on Wednesday, we had the Mike Mark Awards, and your one and only Lady Gators, Isabella Hamilton and Ella Rossi, won. So if you see them in the hallways, tell them congratulations and thank them for everything.
As we get closer to the end of the year, the sports are starting to kind of slow down just a tad bit. But our baseball and softball are doing very good this season. They've been doing really, really well.
Yes. Also, Sophie McFarland with tennis with our one and only Mr. Long. She qualified for the state tennis tournament. So say congratulations to her.
Mm-hmm. Baseball received a bye week. They play their second round playoff series next Friday at 6 and Saturday at 12.
Say congratulations to softball. Their season. Oh, thank you. I know we're doing amazing. Say congratulations to softball. Unfortunately, their season did end recently, but they did great. They had a great season. Everything was awesome, and that's it.
Yeah. Look, it's the end. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
I'm not gonna be emotional. I'm Bryson.
I'm Ellen.
And this is us signing out.
Hi, I'm Paisley Ackles, 10th grade.
Okay. Why do you want to be in KGTR?
I just want to hang out and make cool videos to show the whole school.
What is your personality like?
I'm fun, but I can get serious at sometimes. But I'm just doing the friends that people rely on.
Okay, what makes you better than the rest?
Obviously, I've been in theater for like a while. And with theater, you know how to do stuff right.
Do you think you can fill in Ellen's place?
Ooh, Ellen left a big role. So I don't know if I can fill in her place, but maybe I can exceed it.
Okay, what's your name?
Oh, Isabella.
Okay. Do you like talkies?
Yes.
What's your weird obsession?
Cleaning.
Okay. What do you complain about the most?
Oh, I'm sorry, what?
What do you complain about the most?
Oh, working.
Are you a real blonde?
Yeah.
Are you excited for KGTR next year?
Wait, next year? I'm a senior.
Oh, crap. Caleb!
Guys, again, come on now.
I'm sorry, wrong person. Bye! Due to recent circumstances, we need to confirm identities. Are you a junior?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what is your name?
Tia Taylor.
Okay. On average, how often do you do your makeup?
Oh, like every day. Not gonna lie.
Do you do your makeup in class too?
Sometimes, if it calls for it.
Do you enjoy ASMR?
Love ASMR. Put me straight to sleep. Don't judge me.
How often do you get your hair done?
I'm gonna be real. I do sports. It be looking like maybe like once a month, maybe every 2 months.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how literate are you? In other words, do you like to read?
I read 24/7. It's like having a TV show in your head.
I'm illiterate.
Oh.
That's not
Do you like accidentally leave your stuff in classes, like your lunchbox or something?
all the time. Ask about me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, are you a junior?
Yes, I am.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Peyton Stevens.
What makes you the best hype man?
You know, I'm just like a great person in general, so I mean, if no one likes that, that's their fault, but I think I'm a good person.
Wrong.
Shut their mouth. Continue.
Are you a DJ?
Yes, I can be.
Okay. Do you do your work last minute?
Yes, I got about like 4 assignments undid, due Thursday. Let's go, let's get it.
Do you like Nicki Minaj?
No.
Oh,
Yes, I do like Nicki Minaj.
do you laugh in serious situations?
Yeah, I do.
Do you like Beyonce?
No.
Oh, I think that's a major problem now.
Actually, I do like Beyonce. I think she's a really good artist, you know. She's just
What's your
very-
favorite song?
Drunk in Love.
Okay. Peyton, can you come back and do an audition? Because you do have to sing a song for. Yeah, Bryson do be singing. Do you know Oil Spill?
What the fuck? Bryson, give her a song to sing.
Come on, Bryson, show him how it's done.
I've been trying.
Boo!
I get the one again.
Boo!
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Oh my god, I could start being a YouTuber. So we're all sitting here at the table.
I didn't know you were that close.
And
I'm passing the phone.
okay, wait, Queen is running.
I was just thinking about
What about Bobby?
Bobby. I like that. I like that. Okay, boom. So I guess right on here, start try crazy slow. I gotta try it.
Yeah, I didn't agree.
We got
Yeah.
count from 3.
I got you. 3, 2, 1.
Hey Gators!
I'm Semora.
And I'm Addison, and here are some quick announcements. My phone is locked.
What?
Guys, this is Kylie. CPR! That's Bryson.
What's up, KGTR gang? It's Sheldon here. We're here with another perfect interview. So, say we're here with
Semora.
What'd you say?
Wait a minute. I gotta get serious. I gotta get 7 power. Okay.
Boo.
I'm secretly
No, we're like going through right now.
I'm Beyonce and Nicki Minaj.
Okay, ready?
Horrible ASMR.
Hi, Gators. This is my last ASMR video with you. My last 4 years of high school. This has definitely been my most memorable year. Hanging with my KGTR members. During this year, I won and accomplished a lot of things. One of my favorite gifts I have received from my homecoming choir was this skater keychain. Me and Addison are known to snack a whole bunch during this hour, and one of the favorite things that we bring is grapes. But we don't eat thoroughly. We have to get our hand sanitizer before we begin to eat. One of my favorite things that I basically participated in this year was homecoming, and my crown was my favorite thing and my favorite moment that I was in. I was given my crown September 30th, and of course I kept it, but I can't wait to see who's the next homecoming queen next year, and good luck and congratulations to you.
Semora, are you almost done? It's time to go.
Oh,
This also sucks.
okay.
I don't like it.
Semora, we have to sign out.
Okay.
It's our last day.
This is Semora signing out.
Hey, we're gonna do like a quick little debrief. I've said I hated high school and it sucked a lot, but I really think that it's helped me become who I am today, even though I still have a lot of growing to do. I think all the things I've been through in the past 4 years have really shaped me. I think all the people I've surrounded myself with have really helped me. And some of them tore me down, but I think you should always get back up. I think you shouldn't listen to what people say, because as long as you're true to yourself, that's all that matters. Yeah. Anyways, that was a quick little debrief. My name's Addison, and I'm signing out.
Ellen, get out of here.
You're
graduated.
I know, I can't leave my home. What am I supposed to do now? Oh, God.
Not be a super senior.
But
Bye.
also, I'm not a super senior. This is bye, KGTR. This is Ellen Douglas signing out.
I've been in this room for like 3+ years on end. That is for like my second home, and I'm finna leave and move somewhere else. This is kind of odd. I don't know. But they can go follow me on my social medias. I mean, what else do I have to lose now? I'm finna go, so. Hey.
Bryson, if I have to leave, you have to leave. Let's go, bro.
Okay, let me add one final touch, girl.
Oh yeah, I'm Captain Street Coach Dildon Douglas, the hype man of the swamp. And when I'm not getting hype on the sidelines of Lee Hedges Stadium or on the basketball court, I'm getting hype about adding people to the home ownership team. Whether you're buying, selling, or looking to invest in properties, I'm your guy. You can reach me at 318-400-6346 or by email at dildondouglas@kw.com. Now, I have the playbook for your home ownership goals. And remember, you could be the next person to say, I got the keys from Coach. Go Gators.
Quarter Services is all about keeping you comfortable all year round. Our goal is to create the perfect climate in your home so you can relax and enjoy every moment. Trust our expertise and let us handle all your HVAC needs.
A strong work ethic takes pride in a job well done. This is the kind of person you need. Express Employment Professionals can help because we understand what it takes to hire good people. It takes real people, real interviews. We find good people, matching the right skills for the right jobs. Express knows jobs. Get to know Express. Go to expresspros.com to find a location near you.
Podna's Barbecue is not only a great place to eat lunch and dinner, but we are also a great choice for catering. We have free party rooms available at all 5 of our locations in the SBC if you eat with us. Delivery is available for catering packages. Come see us today at Podna's Barbecue where the smoke never clears.
Hey, I'm Dr. Ben Foster, an orthodontist here at Foster Orthodontics right around the corner from Captain Shree. We've been straightening you guys' smiles since the 1980s. Anything y'all need from braces, clear aligners, retainers, we're right around the corner for you.